Good morning. My name is Connie Rolavin. Before leaving for this trip, there was a time when I told my team I don't think I can go. My husband and I encountered 3 major financial hurdles all at the same time. But through fundraising, prayer, faith, and hope, God did come through. Since I've been home from Africa, family and friends have asked me, "So how was your trip?" To be honest, I really don't know how to answer that question. I have been through so many highs and lows of emotions from this experience that I am sort of confused about how I feel. But I do know that this trip has made a huge impact on me and has forever changed my heart. The experience that has made the biggest impact on me was going to the landfill to serve and pray for the people who live there. And the pictures that you saw behind Sandy were the pictures of the landfill with all the people in the trash. As soon as we pulled up, I felt my eyes fill up with tears. I couldn't believe that what I was seeing was real. People really lived in the trash. There were no buildings, electricity, or clean running water. This was a community of people who have lived here for generations. It was their way of life. Their houses were made out of sticks and any type of material they could find for shelter. I walked around feeling guilty, sad, and confused, saying to myself over and over, why? Why does it have to be this way? By the end of the landfill experience, I could no longer fight the tears. But through all of this, I did see God working here. Our team delivered food to 5 families and a water tank for the community. Another missions team delivered clothes and shoes to the people just before we arrived. We visited a man named James at the landfill who didn't know Jesus and thought he could never be accepted for his dependency on alcohol. After our team spent several minutes talking to him, he did allow us to pray for him. Through this prayer, I felt God move through me. I felt his presence very strongly in me. It was obvious God was there answering prayers for these people. While we were there, we heard the people singing their praises to God, and it was beautiful. Another way I saw God working was at the Springs of Hope. During 6 hours of Sunday service with Pastor Sammy and Moses with 130 kids, I was amazed at the way I saw every child singing, dancing, and enjoying every moment, celebrating Jesus for hours. After that, it was our turn to lead the service. We weren't sure how to fill the time, but we figured out a plan pretty quickly. Each of us had a role in this, and it worked out well. My role was to share a few stories of the kids from our church in the book that I created for the Springs of Hope, which is in this yellow book here. Afterwards, I had the privilege to sit down with each child from the orphanage and talk to them, writing down their story and how God is important to them, which is in the red book here. And these 2 books will be at the children's ministry right after the second service. Throughout our stay at the orphanage, I saw God working through the children during their beautiful daily worship and prayers, and just the way that they love and care for each other and the staff. I also saw God working through our team. Every one of us spent a lot of time playing, cuddling, praying, and bonding with the kids. We also spent time helping the staff with dishes, folding and sorting through clothes, cleaning, cooking, and some of us even got up really early to worship with the staff. The way God worked in my heart in Africa really moved me in many ways. Sometimes I have a hard time trusting the Lord, but every time God has shown me that my way and my plan doesn't work without him. In Proverbs 3, verses 5 through 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight." In the scripture, God is there for you and your welfare. He will help you during those challenging times and through all of the storms. He will help you to make the right decisions and lead you in the right way. God can be your security and help you to face any challenge. Overall, this was a great experience in growing spiritually through serving the Lord. I'm very grateful to the missions team, my family, my friends, my husband, my son, and Cypress Meadows for their guidance, love, and support. I also want to thank Carrie and Matt for being there for us after our trip and debriefing, and to Molly and the staff at Springs of Hope for taking the time to show us the way God works through them to care, serve, and love the children and the people of their community. Thank you.